James, you said you were really good at making animal noises, so let's see you do a wolf.
Well, I can do anything, so sure. Is that good?
That was pretty good. What about a tiger?
Okay.
Oh, that one sounded awesome. What about a rat? What about a monkey? What? Let's see. Sea lion. Let's see if you can do that.
Okay, I'll try it. Is that good?
That might be good.
Oh, I can do a scorpion.
Well, let's see how that is. Well, bye, guys.